Hey guys, welcome to another thrift flip video. So if you want to see how I turned this old boring looking top into this, oh, you need to keep watching this video. Don't go anywhere. Just stay glued to this channel. For this transformation, I'll be needing scissors, pins, the usual, my chalk and my tape. And also be using this pattern that I drafted, or my body's pattern I drafted out earlier. So let's start cutting this. But before we start, guys, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please take out few seconds of your time to hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for hitting the subscribe button. So let us start. The first thing I did was to cut out this darker part of the material because I really like this part of the material. I wanted to use it for either the belt or the hand or even both of them. I just wanted it to have like that different look. So I just cut it out first. That was the first thing. Then the second thing I did was to divide the material into two. That's the front piece and the back piece. I just opened it up so I can start cutting my pattern. So I placed my pattern on one part of this material and pinned it down so I'll be able to cut it without any difficulty. So after pinning it, I cut it out easy peasy. But when you're cutting out, when you're using a pattern to cut, don't forget to leave sewing allowance. So the reason why I'm cutting my own straight instead of the way it is on the pattern is because I want my top to have like this gather gathers at the end. I know you know what I'm talking about. This guy like something like this at the end with a belt. So that's why I cut my own straight. So after that, I decided to cut the back of the top. And for that, I'm also going to use this same pattern. So I just slashed it into two and used one part to draft out the pattern for the back I want. So if you saw from the beginning, this top is an open back top. So I just cut out the pattern, drafted it out, shaped it and cut it out so I'll be able to use it to cut out the back pattern. So this is the pattern, this is the shape I want for my back. So I just put the material on fold and cut out the back pattern with this piece that I've cut.
You might be the right guy that caught me at the wrong time. Tonight I'm unattainable. Yeah, I'm feeling myself, and I don't need no help. I'm completely capable. 'Cause I wish.
After cutting, this is what I have for the back piece. As two different pieces for the back and this is for the front. So let's cut the next thing. Yes, I told you before I want to use this part of the material to cut out the hand or the belt or even both. Well, I decided to use it for both and it was hectic. I'm not even going to lie. I had to start maneuvering, thinking of what can I do to maintain this piece for the belt and the hand of this top, because from you will see from the beginning what I wanted it to have like a different look for the body and different look for the hand and belt. So I did it. I'm happy to announce that I did it. So what I did was just slash it into two equal halves. Then I cut it again into smaller I cut it again into smaller piece and just attach another part of the material to the belt and used it for the hand. That's what I did there. I couldn't film that part. So this is it. I'm joining the bodies together now. Yeah, and this is what we have for the bodies. I finished joining together both the shoulders and the back, then I hemmed the back to make it neater. So this is actually what I cut out for the belt, and I'm going to be joining these different pieces of material to form the belt. After joining it, just to make it neater, I had to iron it out. You know, ironing is very important when sewing. So after that, I used pin to hold the belt and the top together just to show you what I'm going for. Yeah, after that, I measured out how much I want the gathers to be, and just created a notch. If you're a tailor, you will know about this. I created a notch to know the point where I marked. So I'm joining the belt to the top now, and I'm so excited. This is how it's looking. This is how it's looking. Let me finish joining the belt. After joining everything, this is the final result of the bodies. Oh God, I'm already excited. Like when I'm doing all this transformation, I'm usually excited for what the end would look like, because even me, I just envision it. I don't really know what it to look like. Guys, this is what the final result looks like, and oh, it's so beautiful. I don't know about you, but I really love this. So let's try it on. This is the final look and I am really loving it. I don't know about you, but I am actually loving it. This is what the back looks like. This is what I was going for, like an open back. This is the before and after look. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Let me know. Rate my transformation 1 to 10. So thank you for staying to the end of this video. If you love this video, don't forget to give my video a thumbs up. Don't forget to drop a lovely comment, share this video, and subscribe. See you in my next video. Until then, keep winning.